Hey bubblies, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to be looking at one of the hacks in amending clothes. Yes, and these are the materials needed. You need a piece of cloth, you need a hem tape. There are bigger sizes to this, but we'll be using the small one for the purpose of this video. You need a pressing iron and the main dress itself that you want to amend. So let's jump into it. So this is the hem tape. Yeah, it's very lightweight, and this is the tear, the opening that we're going to be using for the purpose of this video. We'll be amending that. So you need a piece of cloth, like I said earlier. So you place this piece of cloth under the tear that you have on your dress. Yeah, you can see the tear. Then you get your hem tape and then you measure, just so you could know the right amount of hem tape to use. So just fold it to your desired quantity. Okay, and then the hem tape that we have here will be placed in between the small piece of cloth and then the main cloth that has the tear. So make sure to place it properly so that both the hem tape and the piece of cloth are just under the tear that you have on your dress. After doing that, make sure that both edges of the tear are well aligned and opposed with no opening in between. So you get your pressing iron and then you press over. This iron must have been put on by now, so it should be hot. So you just press over the tear on the dress. In less than 30 seconds, the magic is done already. Yeah, so what happens here is that the hem tape that was placed in between, it dissolves or melts as the case may be, and then causes the both materials to glue together. So as you can see, they are glued together already, and then automatically the tear has been amended. The hem tape is an inexpensive tool that is very vital for this hack, especially if you don't want to stress yourself amending your clothes with needle and thread. So there you go, guys. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and please share. This could help somebody make life easy. So until our next video, keep a positive attitude and stay bubbly.